First ever Digital Threat Report 2024. India launched its first Digital Threat Report 2024 focusing on strengthening cybersecurity in the banking, financial services, and insurance (BFSI) sector. Unified Cybersecurity Framework emphasizes the need for a unified cybersecurity framework to protect India's financial backbone, developed collaboratively by CERT-In, CISA and CISA. Rising cyberattack costs. The BFSI sector saw a surge in cyberattacks, with global data breach costs rising to $4.88 million and $2.18 million in India. Digital growth and threat exposure. BFSI's digital growth, projected to reach $3.1 trillion in payments by 2028, is widening its cyber threat exposure. Phishing surges and AI impact. Phishing attacks in India surged, with AI making these attacks more convincing via sophisticated email generation and chatbot scams. Cloud vulnerabilities exploited. There has been a 180% increase in attacks exploiting cloud vulnerabilities like misconfigured services. Key recommendations. Proactive measures include employee training, regular vulnerability scans, real-time threat intelligence, and defense in-depth strategies. Multidimensional cyber insights. The report integrates real-world cyber intelligence, offering a multidimensional perspective on emerging threats. Collaborative cyber defense. The interconnected nature of the BFSI ecosystem necessitates coordinated cybersecurity efforts at national and sectoral levels. Securing digital transactions. Securing digital transactions is crucial for economic stability as India's BFSI sector rapidly expands.